Alright, let's experiment this if there's any wax on this apple. I have a boiling water. Let's see. Anything happen? Okay, here's the one that has not been poured with hot water yet. So it's definitely has a wax. Look at the bottom. Holy cow. You see this? These are like rotting already inside, but it's still hard outside. Holy cow. Okay, let's cut this. Alright. Oh wow, I'm impressed. The inside's still very fresh. Just the outside. Interesting. But this is the one that has not been washed yet. See, I bought this back in December 23rd. Before Christmas, 2 days before Christmas. Today is the 10th, I believe. January 9th or the January 10th. Now what is that? Is that the wax? I don't know what to think. Check this cup if the wax is around the cups. It's definitely wax there. Let me pour coloring, see if the wax stays in there. Hang on. Alright. Let's put a smearing of color blue to see if the coloring stick in the wax. There you go. Definitely there's a wax in there. Let's rinse it to see if the wax stays in by the mouth. It is definitely there's a wax. OMG. Alright. Let's wipe it down. See that, guys? That's the wax right there. The color is there. It goes to show that wow, I'm speechless. Alright, thank you for watching.